Okay, we are on page 79 in your activity book. Today we are working on nouns, verbs, and adjectives. So I'm going to do a few for you and then you can do the rest. So it says circle the nouns. So we're going to circle the nouns, draw a wiggly line under the verbs. So we're going to draw a wiggly line under the verbs and draw a box around the adjective. And it wants an arrow from the adjective to the noun that it describes. So, dancers are lovely and graceful. Nouns are person, place, or things. So, dancers is our only noun in this, and it actually should have been a circle. And the verb is are. And then our adjectives are lovely and graceful, and those are both describing the dancers, so we're going to put the arrow to dancers. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2 says Sophia's backyard is small and fenced. So Sophia is a person and yard is a place. The action word of what's happening is. And then back is describing her yard. Small is describing her yard, and fenced is describing her yard. So all of those will point to that one. And then number 3, apple trees were once small brown seeds. So our noun is trees, it's a thing. And also seeds, those are both things. Were is our action. Apple is describing trees. Small and brown are describing seeds. So you'll continue to do this for the rest of the words on the sentence. You'll circle your nouns, put squiggly lines under the verbs, draw a box around your adjective, and then point an arrow to the word that it's describing. If you need help with this, I can help you during live. So just let me know and I can take some time to do it with you during the live session, okay? Good luck.